Children's Book Festival.
So we are talking about what? Financial intelligence for what? Young investors. And I hope you know that you people are young investors. I hope you know that. And I hope you know that saving is not it's not an adult thing. It's a children's thing. It's a culture that you need to imbue from yourself right from when you are young. You don't just start saving immediately. It's something that you start gradually. And there's this thing called self-discipline. Because you have to practice the art of self-discipline to be able to save. So, when you save, do you just save for saving? Because there must be interest in your money. You must have something on your money, on top of money. And you can save your money to start up a business. Do you know you can run a business? You can own a business. Do you know you can own a business? Do you know you can own a business? So you can save to start up what? A business. You can save to all those little things that you ask mommy for, that, and the mommy is telling that she doesn't have the money. Daddy is telling doesn't have the money at the moment. But you know that you have something somewhere that you're saving where? That you're keeping somewhere. Then you can just go there and take what? Out of the money to solve the issue that you want to solve. So saving is not only for mommy and daddy, it's not only for the big people. Saving is for everybody. You can start as a child, as you are like this, you can start saving. If that every week, you can say, okay, I want to save 500 naira every week. Mommy gives me 1,000 naira to school. Okay, after the 1,000 naira mommy gives me to school, I save what? 200 naira out of it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I saved 200 naira out of it in a week. How much have I saved? If mommy gives me 1,000 naira to school every week, how much have I saved in a week? And I'm saving to 200 naira. How much am I getting in a week? Mommy gives me 1,000 naira every week, every day to school, and every day I save 200 naira from that 1,000 naira. How much do I have in a week? How much do I have in a week? You go to school every day, Abby. You go to school from Monday to Friday, right? Look, listen. Mommy gives you 1,000 naira, and then you remove 200 naira from that 1,000 naira every day you go to school. How much do you have in a week? 1,000. Yes, you have 1,000 naira in a week. So calculate that 1,000 naira times in a month. How much do you have? 4 weeks makes 1 month. Oh yeah, calculate. How much do you have?
4,000.
You have 4,000 naira. So imagine you have 4,000 naira in a month, and in a term you go to school. So just calculate how much you're going to save in a term, how much you're going to get. That's what saving is. What it's not a matter of how little. It's not a matter of whether you have a big money or you have something very big. You can start saving what gradually, little by little. Those little things. Just start keeping those money, keeping them, and you can use it to start up a business. Do you know you can start up a business? There are several businesses that you can start up as a child. There are several businesses you can do. Do you know that there are several businesses you can do? Can you tell me a business a child can do? A business you as a child can do, or a business that who has a business idea here? Who has a business idea here? You have a business idea. Who have a business idea? Okay, what are businesses that child can get involved in?
Selling pen.
Yeah, selling pen.
Selling books.
Yeah, selling books. Who has another business idea a child can do? Can you pass the mic to the back?
You can save money to buy company shares.
Buy what?
Company shares.
Yeah, you can save your money to buy company shares. Yes, I love that.
We can save money to buy Christmas clothes.
Yes, you can save money to buy Christmas clothes. You can save money to get your Christmas clothes ready. Do you know that? Do you know you can save money to buy Christmas clothes? Or you want mommy and I to buy the Christmas clothes for you? Since it's their responsibility to buy Christmas clothes for you. Do you know you can save your money to use? You can use you don't use your money to buy Christmas clothes. You want mommy and daddy to use their own money to buy Christmas clothes for you. So you can save money to what? To get your Christmas clothes. You can save money to what? To get a what? A shoes. You can save money to start up a business. You can save your money to what? To buy company shares. You can get company shares. You can save money to get company shares. So there are several investments that you can do as a child. So from today, I want everyone, no matter how little or your uncle gives you money, no matter how little that money is, take part of it from today. What I say, take part of it from today and do what? Save it. Take part of it from today and do what? So no matter how little, you just start with what? Self what? Discipline. You have to what? To be disciplined enough to save. So you don't have to buy everything that you see on the road. Everything you see, you want to buy. Everything you see. No, so you have to what? Self-discipline. If you save 50 naira every day, in a month, do you know how much you saved? So you have to what? It's not a matter of you having big money or anything. That I can see that some people that they have big money, like they get access to much money, but they are not prudent with saving. They don't know how to spend the money. So what they do what? They spend the money anyhow. So from today, you have to make it a point of duty to do what? To save. What I say? To what? To save. So it's a duty from today that every one of you should what? Save, no matter how little the money is. And then, if you want to save, yeah, do you think you can keep your money? Yeah, you can keep your money in the bank. You can buy company shares. In the colo, yes. You can save your money and ask your parents to get you a land. Do you know that? Do you know that you can save your money and ask daddy or mommy to get you a land? Do you know that? Do you know that you can own a land? Do you know that you can own a land? So there are many ways, there are many things you can what? Use your money for. There are many things you can use your money for. So from today, you have to what? Make it a point of duty to do what? To save. What I say? So who have any question to ask me? Any question to ask me?
Ma, please, what is the importance of saving?
Okay, he asked a very important question. What is the importance of saving? Who can answer that question for you? Why do you save money? Why do I save money? Sit.
We save for future.
Yes, you save for the future. What else?
To get bigger money investment.
Yes, to get bigger money investment. Another one. Do you know you can save for emergency? Emergency. Do you know the meaning of emergency? Something that happened that you don't expect it to happen and it just happened. And then you need money to what? To solve that issue immediately. Then you remember that, I have money somewhere. I can use this money to what? To solve this issue. Do you know you can save for emergency? What else can you save for? Why is it important to save? Another one. Why is it important to save? For shelter. Okay, who has another question to ask? Another question. Another question. No one else has a question to ask me on saving. So, are you all promising me that today, from today, you will start saving? So, since we don't have any further question, we have come to the end of the class, and you have promised me that you are going to start saving from today, no matter how little you have, no matter how small the money is. Do you understand? So, we have come to the end of the class. I want to say thank you, everyone.
Akada.